Hey y'all, I'm James Wright and welcome to my shop. Today I need your help to make this channel even better. Yeah, we got some things going on. So here on Wood by Wright, we have two channels. Number one, we have the main channel, and that's more or less for the easy listener, the average YouTuber who doesn't want to learn anything, they just want to watch woodworking being done. And then we have this channel, and this is really where my heart and soul is. And on this channel, we have a live video on Tuesday at 8 p.m. where we talk about all sorts of different things. Then Thursday's video is usually a little how-to of some detail of how does something function, or what is the best methodology, or systems, or other items that go along with the woodworking. And then Saturday is the build for the week, and usually that is duplicated on the main channel but without the teaching on it. Now personally, I really like this format. It allows me to do a lot of different things and explain things and do more of the teaching aspect, and I really like that. It allows me to share my passion. The problem is with YouTube, people subscribe for one particular thing and they don't like all the other things, and so I kind of need your idea and pick your brain. Normally I would go to the Hive Mind on Facebook or Discord and bounce some ideas off of them, but I want to ask you guys two questions. Number one, what do you want to see me do on this channel? What is something you want to learn? What is something you'd like to see me go over and cover? Now, I'm not talking about a project to build. I have a build project that is years and years and years long. I'm looking more for what are these steps you want to learn about? What are the things that you would like me to talk about, my aspects and what I look at it? Those are the videos for the Thursday, the Tuesday video, and those are the ones that I think I want to have a little bit more of an idea of what you guys want to help you out. And then number two, I want to know, how do you want the channel to change? Is there a particular type of video you want to see more of? Is there one you want to see less of? Is there some video aspect you'd like to see changed? I really want this channel to be something for you, the viewer. And it's one of the reasons why I don't do sponsorships on this channel. I want it to be for you, the community. I want this to be focused on what you guys want and what I want, and work together on making this. But I can't do that if I'm just coming up with the ideas. I want it to be something that is from everyone here. So let me know, how would you like this channel to address what you want? How do you like what I do or what I don't do? Please let me know that. I want to get some more ideas so that we can make this channel even better. This channel, yes, it is about woodworking, but this is a community, and I want this to be me and you working together, having fun, learning about things, experimenting, and creating all sorts of cool content that we can have for years to come. So let me know your ideas down below. What things do you want to learn about, and how would you like the channel to change? I do listen to all the comments, and I go through as many as I possibly can, and thank you to everyone for helping out with the channel. On top of that, thank you to patrons on Patreon, everyone here on the channel, and all those normal things. Really, without you, the viewers, this channel wouldn't exist, and so thank you. That's why we are here and why we want to keep on going. Let me know your thoughts, ideas, comments, snide remarks. Yep, all that stuff down below. I do read through all the comments and I answer as many as I can, so thank you for that. If you'd like to find out more about Patreon or becoming a member, click the links down below or the little join button. And until next time, have a wonderful day. Hey y'all, my microphone's not on. Oh, yes it is. Okay, we're good to go.